Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends in Discord. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for the Discord and you need to open that and you need to log in into your Discord account first. So I already added my detail, so it will land on to my profile. Okay, so once you are here, so you simply need to select any friend from your server. So I'm going to select this one for example. You need to copy this, then you need to go back onto the main home page. Here you can see add friend. You can add friends with their Discord username. So here you need to add the username and click on send friend request, and after that here you can see that your friend request was sent, and once that person accepted my send request, that person will be added onto my Discord. So this is the process how you can add friends in Discord. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.